Hello everyone, today we will be learning how to download public documents of a company. To start with, first of all, on Google type MCA. So MCA stands for Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Click on the first link mca.gov.in. On this website, on this gray area, click on login. So if anyone does not know how to create a login, they can write on the comment section. We will make a separate video for how to create a login. Herein I have entered my credential, then enter CAPTCHA and sign in. Now under MCA services, go to view public documents. Here in this box, company name, click on this box and enter the first two words of the company. So first of all, we should also ensure that the company has filed their annual documents, then only we should download their documents. So now I am checking that this company has filed its financials. So yes, the company has filed the documents. We need to now add this to cart. Now we have to make a payment of 100 rupees. Click on pay fees. Under these payment options, various options are available like net banking, credit card. I can show you the credit card from which are available for making the payment. So only two banks are available, ICICI and Union. Under net banking, there are 4 to 5 banks available. Now in this, I am selecting HDFC Bank. Now click on submit. Also, please note this SRN number for your future reference. Click on accept. Now enter your net banking credential and make payment. Confirm. OTP. After making the payment, go to My Workplace section, scroll down, company for which we want to download the financials would be available. Now click on download. Now this is the category list of the available documents with MCA. If we want to check the financials which have been filed by the company, click on Annual Return and Balance Sheet e-forms. Click on Form AOC 4, enter the CAPTCHA and then submit. Now you can download this form in your laptop. Please open this form through Adobe Reader. Click on Allow. Again allow if the pop-up asks for. Now the form is available. In top right corner we can see the attachment icon. Click on the attachment icon. It will show the list of documents which have been attached with this form. So if you want to see the financials, click on the audit report. The audit report will open. It contains all the financial details of a company. Now you can save it for your reference and future analysis. So this is the whole process by which we can check the financials which have been filed by a company with MCA or any other form which have been filed by a company. In case you have any query regarding the same, can drop a message in a comment section.